Hey guys, so this really depends what kind of headphones you have by Philips. But generally, how you can reset them. So you want to turn the headphones off, you want to press the play button and keep it pressed for 20 seconds, and internal memory is now cleared and Bluetooth headphones are ready to be paired again. And if these are like the without a separate Bluetooth button, but if you have a Bluetooth button, turn the headset off, press and play button and keep it pressed for 20 seconds, internal memory is now cleared, Bluetooth headphones are ready to get paired again. So just want to make this quick video for you on how you can reset the Philips headphones. So hope it helped you and have a great day and goodbye.